How to Uber driver, sign up Uber driver. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can do and sign up for Uber driver. So make sure to watch the video till the end. To basically sign up for Uber driver, you first of all need to have the Uber driver application here downloaded from your Play Store or your App Store. And then just make sure to tap on the Uber driver app and you're going to be able to set this type of interface. Now just log in or sign up with your normal Uber account, the one you use on the ride-sharing app. You can just log in with that same account. The only thing that you need to do here is you need to verify all these documents. The first is of course your profile photo, so make sure that you verify your profile photo. Then you also want to make sure to verify your driver's license, so you want to make sure you have a driver's license and then you take a valid photo of your driver's license. Similarly, you can just go ahead and then follow other instructions to enter your vehicle insurance and the registration certificate, which is your RC, and your vehicle commercial permit as well. And this way you should be able to sign up for Uber driver. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.